les mecs qu'on va lui faire sauter. Caissons un salopard de Blackie. Ouais, d'accord, allons-y.
Ils sont juste là.
Allez les négros, grouillez-vous, foncez dans le tas, goûtez ces blacos et ensuite traînez pas, tirez-vous le plus vite possible.
Putain, négro, je te promets que j'allume n'importe qui, j'en ai rien à branler.
Hey, Iceman, get the fuck out.
Like a stripper, I be going ham like a Thanksgiving dinner. 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 Flow escort in his bitch, flow escort in his bitch like a stripper. Escort in his bitch like a stripper. I be going ham like a Thanksgiving dinner. I be going ham like a Thanksgiving dinner. I be going ham like a Thanksgiving dinner.
Yeah, oh shit, West now came back. Jerkin ain't dead, who the fuck said that? I ain't never left, but it felt like I did, so I had to drop a new mixtape full of hits. Now I'm back on this like, bitch, what's up? And I stay killing shit, you can look me up. I do this cause I know I can, know I do this like a show girlfriend. Damn that hurts. Nah, I don't get but a nigga might jerk. I kill this shit, man, I swear I go to work. Don't bring around me cause a nigga might flirt. I be going ham, hard as an MF, I'm still jerking. Some of y'all been left ham, and I still spit flame. What's up now, BFF gang. Hey, shouts out to everybody supporting me though. I appreciate that. Going ham, I ain't talking about a sandwich. Soon as I step in the booth, I damage. West now, yeah, I only do bangers. Some of y'all niggas washed up, need a hanger. Bow to your highness. West where them rappers at, probably can't find them. Oh well, man, I got this here. And I ain't even gotta tell them it's my year. I don't even tipper, I just go in her. West up and now, bitch, I sign and deliver. Swag copywritten, y'all niggas can't clone. BFF, bitch, my team on. I got bars, something like soap. Ain't going ham, y'all niggas just roast. I kill this beat like OJ did it. Shawty got ass, so you know I hit. Yeah.